Okay, let's start the video. I'll be doing a part 2. And last night I told you, let's get an update on, if you haven't get an update, here's the result. We got match 1 number, almost 4 number on this ticket. For Powerball, we got match 6. And then this number, we got match almost 4 numbers. We got 12, 25, 35. So this is $23 for the tick 5 because we matched 3 numbers. 3 numbers is $23. And then we match a couple of free play, 5 free plays. 5 free play. We'll roll over to tonight's draw. So we're gonna each day up to Saturday we have each draw cover. So we have each draw cover for the pool. And remember to follow my channel. And you can email me for any game illustration if you want to learn my system. Part 1 to part 18. hyper_links@yahoo.com. Please donate, share, and like my video. And you can email me for any game prediction at hyper_links@yahoo.com. Always remember, nothing is guaranteed, but always trust yourself. And then let's get to the Powerball. Last night's Powerball. So as we can see, last night's Powerball was astounding. We had 6. Now, if you look at the Powerball chart, 6. I didn't pick 6, but 6. I didn't pick 6. Where I should, because 6 was the first invincible number. It was in the first invincible number chart. I had no doubt I had the 9 instead of the 6 going. I had a lot of number predicted in the top 10 combinations. And predicted the code 39. The code was 39. We have predicted the code 39. For Powerball last night, the code was 39. No, not hard to predict that the code was 39, not strong. And yeah, you see the third invisible number, second invisible number. Let's give it 13. 13 wasn't the second invisible number, so we have no second invisible number. Now, if you look at the 38 and 39, let's look at 38 and 39. 39 was the third invincible number. So as the fourth ball, 38 skipped the third invincible number and went to 39. 39 was the third invincible number. So it went too close. The numbers are too tight. 38 and 39. Therefore, it skipped the third invincible, and it pushed the third invincible to the fourth ball. And then the fourth invisible number, as you can see, no fifth invisible number. But the fourth invisible number was 53. And then there's no fifth invisible number too. So as you can see, 53 and 6. 6 was the only ball in the right position. The other ball was out of order. And as you can see, tile defrost off. Invincible Powerball was 06. Invincible Powerball was 06. No invisible pairs. Invincible Powerball was 06. So they really put 4 invincible numbers. So I get why 06 came. Invincible number. No brainer why 06 came. Okay. Let's get along to the Dster number 1. Now, this one's for Powerball. So we're going to do Powerball on the video. I'm not going to change the color of the title. This will be the Powerball draw. And let's go to Powerball 06. 13, 38, 39, 38, 39, and 53. And then 06 was the special ball. And then we're going to see where it stands for Dster number 1. So again, for Dster number 1, if you just play around the invisible ball, you're going to hit. Now, the thing is, when we do our pool, you can bet on if it comes from the invisible chart or not. If it does come in the invisible chart, you're guaranteed to hit. If it doesn't, then you got to go against the invisible chart. So that's how it goes. Don't rule out 06. because when the jackpots are high, they tend to pull number back to back. Remember the 61 in the white ball? There are 70 numbers and they still put it 61 3 times. There was another number that came 3 times for one of those game Mega Man Powerball. You can check. Also, besides 61, there's one number that came 3 times in 3 draws or 4 draws in a row. Now, get back to that. 06. 06 is in quadrant 3, no doubt. And then you have 13 in quadrant 1 and 3, or just 1. Let's just put it on 1 for now. 38, not there. 38, almost not 38. 39. 39 not there. And then 53. 53 in quadrant 1. So 2D use more than 1. And then 06. 06 on the bottom. Again, C3, B3 use more than 1. So you have 4 winning numbers in one section right here. And then you have hot corner, 3 hot corners right there. And the highest frequency number, let's look at highest frequency number. 06, voila, 06 was highest frequency number. It got drawn for both white ball and mega ball. So 06, highest frequency number did predict for last draw's Powerball. The highest frequency number was 06. It predicted the Powerball for last draw. So again, high frequency number did predict it. Doesn't mean it's gonna predict it. You still need a breakdown. Now these are number 2. These number 2 from Mega Man. You can see that these number 1, these number 2, the number goes higher as you go to a different Dster. So again, these number 1. '06 is on the bottom. So as the Powerball 06 also on the bottom, I'm gonna do that all at once. So you have B3, B4, use 1 and 1s, 13. 13, let's use it all, yeah, you can't use it anywhere. 1 and 3. 38, not there. Oh, over here in quadrant 1. 39, quadrant 1 also, therefore 2E is another hot corner. And then 53, quadrant 1 also, wow. Another hot corner. 2B. So again, since this 3 is used for 53, we're gonna move that 1 over here. So for 13, it's gonna use this corner right here, E2, and for 53, 53 will stay there. So instead of spreading out the hot corners, you make one hottest corners out here, 2E, making this use more than once. Remember, you try to use one cornet more than as much as possible. We try to limit the amount of digit being used. Therefore, if I use this, I was over here. I would have used less. I would have used the same amount of digits in the Dster, but I just want to make you guys know that one digit can use more than 2 times, as you can see, to create a winning combination. And the most important digit is definitely digit 3, using 4 times, 53, 39 using a digit 3, 38 using a digit 3, and 13 using a digit 3. And the secondary digit are digit 6 and digit 0, that's it. And being that said, you gotta know which is your primary digit. Knowing your primary digit, you're gonna know how much the number to play around with in the Dster. Now Dster breakdown, none of the high frequency number came for Dster number 2, none. So now if you go to Dster number 3, let's go to Dster number 3 and see where the winning combinations are. And you have 06 same on the bottom. That means the 06 Powerball on the bottom also. That means B3 and B4 use more than once. 13 on top of quadrant 1. 38, quadrant 4, all spread. 39, not there. Maybe the blue box right on the corner here. And then 53, also on the bottom of quadrant 4. So again, it's all spread, not that good. The best Dster was these number 2 all in one on the right side or left side of the quadrant. Wow, one section. 2 quadrants is used. Right side isn't used. And for these number 3, none of the highest frequency number came for these number 3, but these number 3 didn't do that bad and didn't do that good either. Now let's look at these number 4. If you look at these number 4, you can see some amazing result. And these number 4 also from last draw, it was amazing. You can see this. All the corners were there. Now I have to remove all the corners out of the Dster because it did so good last draw. Last week's draw, if you were to use this Dster for last week's draw, but we're not doing that. You could try using the recent weeks. These are for the recent week's draw. 06 on the bottom, therefore 06 Powerball also on the bottom. 4B and 3B is used more than once. Then 13 on top, used more than once. Not used more than once, yeah. Was used once. 38, not there. 39 on the bottom. Quadrant 3, 53, 53, yeah, 1 and 3. So we have 5 winning combinations in the left side of the quadrant. Therefore, Dster number 2 is still the best Dster. Let's see if Dster number 2 did good for Mega Man or Powerball on Friday and Saturday night's draw. Let's see if Dster 2 will die down for Friday or Saturday's draw. So you decide if Dster 2 will be a hot Dster to use again. And you can see none of the high frequency number got drawn for Dster number 4 either. So now let's go to Dster number 5. Now Dster number 5 for Powerball, you can see where the number stands. You can see the 06 is now out of range. So 06 out of range. So about that. Oh, that means 06 Powerball is out of range. And then 13 quadrant 1. 38 is not there. 39 right over here, quadrant 1 and 3. And then 53 not there. So again, didn't do any good either for this Dster number 5, which it did previous weeks. Now Dster 5 didn't do that good. And if you can look at the high frequency number, none of the high frequency number came. And let's look at Dster number 6. Dster number 6 didn't do that good either because 06 not there. 06 is not there for Dster number 6. Not 27. 13 is our next number. 13 quadrant 1. 38 quadrant 1. 39 not there. 53 quadrant 2. Now it's on the top. Quadrant hits. So we only have 3 winning quadrants on the top quadrant. We only have 13, 38, and 53. So we have 06 not there either. So because as the numbers go higher, as the Dster go higher, numbers from the Dster also go higher. So with that being said, we did not like this Dster at all. Dster number 5, Dster number 3, we did not like it. Does that mean that it's not going to do good on Friday and Saturday's draw? It might do good. You got to pay attention to the Dster, see if it does good or not. And let's go back to Dster number 2 for a second. Dster number 3 picked up 06, but Dster number 1 only have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So the best Dster was to use was Dster number 2 and possibly Dster number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number versus 6 number. So Dster number 2 and Dster number 4 are the best Dster to use according to the result it gave us last night's Powerball. I'm using the results to show you guys which Dster are the best to use so far. doesn't mean it's going to be good on Friday, Saturday, Sunday draw. You have to look at a breakdown, look at invisible numbers. Invisible will help you win. That's why we have 6 was for the invisible number chart for this week's Powerball. That's why 06 got drawn. They don't pull numbers out of anywhere. They pull it from invisible numbers. That's how you win. So with that being said, I will announce the pool as we go along. Hopefully the pool will be doing good again. And if you like the video, please do subscribe. Donate, share, and like my video. Email me for any game illustration by part. Hyper_links@yahoo.com for any game prediction. Always remember nothing is guaranteed, but always trust yourself.